Today's adventure is learning how to drive this thing. So, being that gas prices are low right now, we're going to take advantage and practice how to drive this. Getting it ready, cleaning the windows. All right, I'm in the front seat. We're going to take off. The boys are in the back. They're coming for a ride with us. And here we go. Hope it all goes well.
What happens then? You get a timeout. Say hello. Say hello. She's gonna drive over the Coronado Bridge right now.
Where am I going?
You're right here. You're right lane. Coronado South. Here we go. You're gonna need left lane again. Yeah, exactly. Watch the lane. Left, right. Oh, that's cool. Left lane, left lane.
Okay, well, I have cars behind me. A lot of little cars. Okay, you see me coming, car. I'm in RV range right now.
Pretty technically, this is our first time driving it out here, so okay, or somewhere tight like this.
Well,
Yeah, you're doing good. Well, Coronado Island right now. Go slow right here because we can straight. Going straight. Oh, good. Good. Kennedy's not that heavy. We didn't scrape. Oh, yeah. Should we go there and buy another cord?
For what?
For the charger?
No.
Okay. Here we are in Coronado.
How am I doing?
You doing good?
How am I doing?
You're doing good, actually.
Okay.
For real tight spots and everything like that. Yeah, really good.
They said that the hotel is haunted.
Yeah. There's the car, Hotel Coronado.
Instead of moving.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you gotta use like a stick. Hotel Coronado. Do they actually say that's haunted?
Yep.
Okay, so we just turned around. Not much to see right now, but she's still doing good.
Whoa!
Yeah. Oh, stay in your lane, lady. What a lot of people in San Diego don't realize is there's actually a lighthouse out there at this point.
What is it called?
Oh, which one is it? Lighthouse?
No, what is it? The lighthouse called?
I don't know. You know?
Every lighthouse has a name.
Yeah, I know. I don't know the name of that lighthouse. There's the bridge right there. Whoa, stay in your lane. Wow. Did you see that? We're right above the line. Actually, this is pretty cool because we're coming up and this is where they do the Navy SEAL training. Right in there. It's not a SEAL. There it is again. Hotel Coronado. The haunted hotel in San Diego. Oh, you go right.
Oh, geez.
What? You could have went right.
You told me too late.
Why? It wasn't a sharp turn.
I'm driving an RV. You gotta work with me here and give me time. Plenty of time.
Plenty of time. Little town of Coronado. It's actually pretty nice. Shrubbery around the palm. Look at signs of life in the park. People enjoying. Good.
So what do you want me to do here? A U-turn?
No, just make a left and then.
Go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then.
Oh, and then go through another little street?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Well, that was kind of dumb.
I don't know if I can go straight.
Yeah, you can.
Well, it was weird. It didn't show it was a green light. Alright, so I stopped driving and now we're headed into San Diego. We're just
City.
Just San Diego City, and we're just enjoying the drive. All right, so we're back and we're done. How did I do?
You did really good. She did good, actually. So I feel confident. I feel good that when we take off, she can drive too.
You trust me?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, well, you heard it. If you trust me, we can go on a trip when all of this is over and everything opens up. All right, thanks for watching, guys.